अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं आज नॉर्थ कैरोलिना में अपने कुछ दोस्तों से मिलने जा रहा हूँ जिन्होंने अपना वज़न लूज़ किया है। बहुत ज़्यादा उनका वज़न होता था। उन्होंने आज मुझे दावत दी है कि मैं उनके जिम में आऊँ और देखते हैं कि उन्होंने कैसे वज़न कम किया।
So my name is Ashley Cáceres. The reason why I chose to take this path of fitness is because at first it was because of a guy, a dude. Social media was all over his phone. Certain type of female was on that phone. When I saw that, to myself, I got very disappointed because I didn't look like that. I was very unhappy with my shape and how I was looking. Whenever I saw those pictures, I was like, whoa, I gotta make a change because that's what he likes. I wasn't thinking because of me, I was thinking of him. Like, wow, he's with me, but he likes this type of females. So I decided to get a gym membership. I remember the first day, I'm like, yo, why am I here sweating, hurting my body, hurting myself, because it hurts, working out hurts. For somebody else. Let me do this for me. That was in January. Since that January until 2016 or 17, one of those two, that's when I decided like I am gonna make this change. I'm gonna make this change for me. And since then I had lost 120 pounds. It got to the point that I was in 260. And I didn't just do it for myself, but I did it mentally as well. I go through a lot of depression and anxiety, and working out has been my strength. It has been my help through this. You know, if I'm sad, if I'm mad, if I'm like anything that I go through, I put it all in the gym, and it has helped a lot. Like I'm strong, so not only my body's strong, but my mind is strong. I would like somebody to come to me for help because I'm not only here helping you with your body, but mentally as well. A lot of my clients want to give up. No, we don't give up in here. Let's just go ahead and do it. Come on, you got this. I want to be that trainer that I couldn't have. I had to do everything myself. That's why I'm a trainer now, because I want to be that person. I want to help you through everything, not only just body-wise, but mentally, like I said. It's more mentally, to be honest, in here. That's why I'm doing this. Not because, oh, I want to be a size 0. I'm clearly not at a size 0. I'm still a size 8. You feel me? So it's not about, it's not about losing weight. It's about being strong. I would like people to come to me because I want to be able to transform not only their body, but their mind. I've been there. I know it hurts. I know when I go to the gym and I don't know what to do. I've been there that, oh, people's looking at me. Oh, I don't know. I don't want to take my shirt off because people staring at me. Oh, because I'm not a size 0, I don't want to take my shirt off. I want to be able to help transform that mindset. You got to tell your mind every day, hey, I can do this. Hey, I can take my shirt off. Hey, I'm working so hard that I can take my shirt off in here. Why not? I'm sweating so much. I'm working so hard for me to do the things that I think that I don't supposed to do.
इनसे मिलने के लिए मैं आया था और इनकी कुछ रिकॉर्डिंग्स वगैरह मैंने करनी थी, तो काफ़ी अच्छी रही। शूट भी अच्छा रहा और रिकॉर्डिंग भी अच्छी रही। ये हैं
Shanti Ross.
और ये थी हमारे साथ एक्चुअली। इट वाज नाइस मीटिंग यू गाइस टुडे। थैंक यू सो मच। स्टे ट्यून्ड। देखिए आगे और क्या क्या होता है। अभी तो ये कैरोलिना की जो ट्रिप थी काफ़ी लंबी रही है और इंशाल्लाह इसमें काफ़ी मज़े की वीडियोस भी बनी है। अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें, और इसी तरह मुझे थोड़ी थोड़ी मोटिवेशन मुझे भी देते रहें साथ साथ। थैंक यू सो मच।